Hi everybody, this is Suzanne Hiron from Mimi Papyrus. This week, let's talk about dyes, and I want to invite you to explore and discover all the different things that you can do with them. Let's get started. So today I wanted to give you a few tips about dyes, and particularly intricate dyes. So one of the most beautiful ones that I've purchased in a long time is this set called Butterfly Beauty Thinlits. It's got 19 dyes in the set. So I've cut out two of the biggest ones, and what I wanted to show you is how they layer together. So if you see, the colors may not be my favorite, but hey, I just wanted to contrast and show you how they go well together, and they just fit perfectly to layer, and you've got the inside color that pops out. So that is just stunning, gorgeous on a card. But it's big. First thing that came to my mind was how big they were. You don't have to have them that big. You can take your die cut and just pick and choose what you want to use. So here I'm going to cut off the corner butterfly. You can use this one all by itself, or you can layer it with the one that was on the other die cut. Just make sure you cut it properly, and you have one butterfly. You don't need to use the whole big thing. Can do the same thing for the little one in the corner here. So you just cut it off, and you have a single butterfly. If you want to layer, you cut off its twin on the other set, and you just layer it, and then you have one butterfly. So that's one idea. You can cut it all up if you want, or you can use it entirely by itself, or use the other one by itself. So very versatile for your card making. The other thing I wanted to mention is that when there's 19 dies in a set, try them out. Look at this pretty little thing. It's leaves and a stem, this one too. You don't need to use them all at the same time, but you know you have them. And these little guys, very tiny, but when you cut them out, there's two, but they cut out separately, so you can use both of them as you need. So try them out first. Try everything when you get the set on a piece of cardstock, and it'll give you some different ideas on how to use them. So that's one set. The other one I wanted to show you was how I used this stitched label one. So sure, you can use it and as a whole, but you can also fold it, and look, it's the size of a pocket. You can use it as a pocket for a Father's Day card, or as a flap on a card, and I'm going to do one of those cards next week to show you how to use it. So here's another one I showed. You can just layer them or use them this way. So I hope that's helpful for you. Just try them out and use your imagination, and the sky's the limit with the things you can do with these dies. Just wonderful. All right, that's my tip for this week. Talk to you next week. Have a good one.